What is the mass in quintals? Okay. Naba, what happened, beta? First, me write the question. Lower your hand. Okay. In this question, mass of a fish is given as 9.2 tons. So, what is the mass of 9.2 tons in quintal? Means you have to convert it into quintals. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. First, write the questions and I will give you the chance. Okay. The second question is, how many 700 gram sugar packet required to get a total mass of 6.3 kg. Again, I'm reading the question. How many 700 gram sugar packets required to get a total mass of 6.3 kg? Okay. Okay. Now I'm writing the third question, which is very important. Okay. Giraffe is 12 quintal. Okay, means giraffe weight is 12 quintal. It is given. Express this weight. Express its mass in kg. Kg. Another thing is grams. And third one is tons. Okay.
Sir, please, question number first see me again. I want to write it.
Which question number?
Please show
Beta?
the question number second.
Question number 1.
Please, sir.
Sir, question number 1.
Okay. I am.
Sir, question number second.
Black. Photos in the.
Sir, I want to say that please write the questions in chat box. Nobody will have any query.
Okay, beta, wait for that. Okay.
Sir, your writing is not visible.
Okay,
Yes,
wait,
sir.
wait, wait,
Yes,
wait,
sir.
wait, beta, wait. Okay.
Sir, sending our group now.
Wait, beta.
Please send it on our WhatsApp.
Wait, beta. Yes, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
First of
Yes,
all,
sir,
first of all, listen to me.
Yes,
Do not shout. Again, I will put the security. Okay. Do not shout. Okay, I am writing. First one. Okay.
Sir, you writing by very dull. That's why it's not visible.
Mass of fish. Mass of fish is 9.2. tons. Okay. What is its mass in quintal? What is its mass in quintal? Okay. Second is how many 700 grams? Beta, don't speak.
Sir, it is Ahmed Ali Abdullah.
Sorry, sir, by mistake. Sir, by mistake. I'm saying NT
Every
to my
time
mother.
mistaken is done by you, huh? What? You are the only person who are doing mistake, eh? Nobody others will do. Every time I warn you and you are not taking.
every time.
Yes. To get a total mass of 6.3 kg. Third one is mass of a giraffe. Giraffe is 12 quintal. What is the mass in kg, grams, and tons? Tons or metric tons, both are same thing. Okay. So don't get confused. Do it, hurry up. Okay, submit to me.
Sir, we have to divide in that question, not first one question.
Do yourself. This is a type of your class performance. Okay, I will mark who will do right. Okay, there's a class performance activity.
Sir, I wanted to ask that in
Understanding?
question,
Sir, I'm not
you are
understanding
saying that
question two.
mass of a giraffe is 12 quintals.
Okay.
So
What is the mass
you
in
have to
kg?
tell it in kg, grams, and tons. These three all.
You have to convert this 12 quintal in kg, same 12 quintal in grams, and same this value 12 quintal in tons also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Calculate the area in square meters meter if length is equals to 1.2 meter and breadth is equals to 11 centimeter. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very good, mashallah. I will inform to the school.
Sorry, 4 questions.
Yes.
Okay, sir, do it. So this one's a question only, na?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Anyone completed? Yes. Anyone do it? Completed it or
Please show
not?
the screen again.
Yeah. Is it
Sir,
visible?
doing.
Okay. Good.
Sir, there are 4 questions and you have written 5 at the last.
Beta, numbering is disturbed. Okay. That's why it is there. Okay. Don't worry. This is 40 questions.
Okay.
Okay. Don't worry about this. Now, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, you have muted yourself.
Yes. I muted your
Sir,
myself. Yes. You
Yes,
solve
sir.
it.
It is
Otherwise,
easy to
otherwise,
concentrate.
otherwise disturbance will be there, na? That's why.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the test is not visible.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
do
sir.
we have to write the answer with decimal or without decimal we can write?
Sir, we can do approximation.
Sir, is it compulsory for us to write the answer in with decimal point or we can write normally? Sir,
I have query question number 2. How many 700 sugar packets required to get a total mass of 6.6? So how I'm minusing, so how the answer will come? It's not coming, sir. I am doing my. Sir, I'm not understanding. Sir, please tell where are you?
Is it clear? I am saying that to all of you, whatever you have done, either correct or not, okay, give it to me, submit it in time during just at the end of the class, submit to me on my number. And
Sir,
yes, tell.
I just want to ask that is it compulsory for us to write the answer in decimal point?
Beta,
Or you can
I told this also. Beta, tell me one thing: when you multiply any number with a decimal, then there's definitely a decimal will come in the answer. Beta, you just completed decimal. You are reading decimal. Then what is this?
okay, sir.
Sir, I have sent you. So please check my I have sent on your WhatsApp.
I can do two and submit to you. Then I will do and I will submit to you. Sir, excuse me. So actually, you said that you will ask queries from this chapter. So I had the same query from page number 22 and 23, and it was quite confusing.
This is
So
beta.
how will I do the
Nidia,
test?
Nidia Kosi, you are right. What you did? First of all, everyone lower your hands.
Sir, please check my.
I will check later. Okay. Who is? Let me check. So someone has given. I am not reply right now as class is going on. Okay. Isma Noor has given to me. Okay, Isma, I will check it later. Okay, and I'm just seeing that how many students is given to me. Okay.
Sir, question 2 I was not understanding. That's why I have left.
Sir, I'm doing just
Okay. Okay. If you are
two
not
questions are left.
but I try to understand the things, okay, because it's time to take some hard tests, some difficult ones. So uh, we have to come to level number 2, okay, in terms of numerical. So please try to understand the things. Time is running out. So beta, please try to understand the numericals in math, physics, and chemistry. If there is till here there will be no numerical. There is no numerical in chemistry right till now. Okay, when it will come, so you have to practice that also. Okay, please remember
Sir,
this thing.
actually, sir,
Listen to
I
me
was
first.
saying
Listen
that.
to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me first. I am saying in the last week also that from this week onwards, okay, as yesterday was a test, so that's another thing. But on today also, as I'm taking your regular classes, I am marking class performance person to person. Okay, from section A and section B. So be sincere, be active, be regularly revise your courses. Okay. So this thing you should keep in your mind. Every single person performance I record. I will record inshallah.
Sir,
Yes, beta.
so can you explain question number 4?
In question number 4, you have to calculate the area in square meters, or I can say you have to calculate the areas in meter square. Length is given as 1.2 meters. Okay, and breadth is given as 11 centimeter. You have to give the answer in meter square. Is it okay?
Means first we have to take out the area and then we have to multiply it by 4.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Nivya, yes, do not write anything. Ahmad Ali. Ahmad Ali, I will check it. Okay. Don't worry for that. You submit the things. I will check after the class. And inshallah, today I will reply. Don't worry for that. Ahmad Ali, how dirty handwriting is yours? Beta, is it visible? It is not visible to me, huh? What is that? You are in sixth class, you are using pencil.
Sir, I have done all 4 questions. Now I am sending you.
Okay, good. Beta, who is saying this? Who
Sir, I
has
am saying Ubada.
Ubada, beta, listen to me. Don't take in hurry. Okay, revise again. Okay, because sometimes I'm saying it to the class also that before sending, everyone revise once, at least once. You can revise 2 times, 3 times. This is up to you. At least once you have to revise, because sometimes you do you seems that it will be right answer, but it will be.
To ask my question, can I ask?
Yes, sure, beta.
I wanted to ask that there are 20.
Mantasha, your voice is not coming properly. Please say it again. You can WhatsApp me, beta. Your voice is not coming properly. Okay, it comes into pieces. It's broken.
Sir, I have message. Please
Yes,
see.
sir. Beta, I told this also to everyone in the class that you should remember the conversion table. Okay, Mandasha, you are also confused with the this thing, na? Conversion 1 ton. What you have written TGRD, are 10 quintals. Whatever be
Sir,
the
I am saying that in one tone there are 10 quintals.
beta, this is a type of performance test. I will not reply. I am not giving you the answer or what will be the how many quintals are there. Okay, you can better learn. I several times I told this. You should everyone learn the conversion. They are these are given in your book also, beta.
Okay, sir.
Who is this rubbish? Who? Yes, Nidia. Yeah, you are doing. You are really. What should I say to you? You are not getting anything. You are not obeying the teacher. Anything I told you, you are just doing it opposite of that. What is the way? Why you deleted this thing? Huh? I told this to everyone. Do not give me the answer. Do give me the solution, the steps you are
Yes, sir,
performing.
I remember how much quintals are there in
Very good.
how much tones are there? Means
Nidia, you are not studying at your home. Now you are not replying me.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Now it's visible, beta. Yes, class, listen to everyone. I will not repeat. Okay. After 2 minutes, this meeting is ended. You have to submit me the answer on my number. Okay.
Sir, we send 12:30.
Till when?
12:15. Still, you have 5 minutes or 7 minutes. But you can do it, inshallah. You are all of you are doing very well, alhamdulillah. I don't know what happened when I am giving you questions. All of you, not I'm saying to few. I'm not saying to. I am saying to all of you, all of them in the section A and B, performing very well during the classes. But when the test comes or when the questions comes to you, what I don't know what happened to your performance. Hmm.
Sir,
Yes, try to do all these steps. Again, I'm saying, especially Nidya, okay, keep my words in your mind.
Sir, I have done with solution.
That's very big.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Jinida. Your question number.
Exactly, on my personal number. It is very difficult to scroll again and again. Okay, on the go. So I am asking this to submit on my number.
sir, we have to submit in PDF form.
Yes. Try to submit in PDF form. If anyone who is unable to submit, please learn it also. Okay, how to do the convert the JPG picture form into PDF. Because in the maths yesterday, few students still submitting their photos by taking the photographs.
I'm sending in PDF form.
That's very nice.
Sir, yesterday I sent you my math test, but you didn't see it.
What, beta, what?
Yesterday I